So now that we've installed our internal corner, we're going to work on installing our external corner. So we've got our corner block here. What we're going to do is we've prepped the back of our footings. This nib is going to get knocked out, very similar to the one that we did on our internal corner. So that this corner block sits nice and flat as it runs through, lining that face with the block below. Ensuring that we've got our levels. Running through that way. What we're going to do next is get our main body blocks, and we're going to continue this through the back wall here. Now, as he did with our first course, we get our rubber mallet and our level. We want those faces to run true through that way. And that's the start of our external corner for the Heron block range. So as we go through and finish our external corner, we're going to want to knock off this nib here, which is going to allow our corner block to sit nice and flat along this next course. We want to sit our corner block in line with these faces here and here. Then with our main body block, much like we did on our internal corner, it's just a bit of a balancing act on our first course and our second course to get these main blocks to run halfway through the face of the block below. And that's how you finish off an external corner with the Heron range.